How you like that? Oh my goodness. I've never been so infatuated with a video game in my entire life. All right, let's see what she does with it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh, you could literally see it go down her throat. What's up, Double O Squad? You know what time it is. It's Boogie back with another lit gameplay. And today we're playing the Skin Stapler, man. We about to jump right into this game. Before we jump into this game, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And we about to rock out, man. Let's see what this game is all about. Start new game, man. I'm seeing this game trend everywhere. When I say everywhere, this game is everywhere. Okay.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice.
Okay then.
Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday.
The Skin Stapler.
This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
Please report any possible sightings. Police get.
Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Okay then, he cooking.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Do they let us drive in this
Fine.
game?
Tell him I'm on my way.
Don't tell me they let us drive now. Okay, he burning rubber and everything. Look at him. He out of there. I'm talking about Paul Walker style, man. R.I.P. to Paul Walker, by the way. Carrion City Police Department. Look at the transitions in this game.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time.
All right. Let's see what the chief wants this time, man. Q, current objective. Talk to the chief in his office.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
I ain't gonna lie, look at Luna. Even though she in a video game, she can get it.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
See you around, baby. See you around. Where do we go? Oh, we go this way. All right. This got to be one of the most junkiest police stations of all time.
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Whoa.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
Mm.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Okay then. Talk to the chief in his office. Where's the chief at?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Of course I did, baby.
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Oh my God. She just got off on him.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Ew.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Oh my goodness. She need help ASAP, bruh. So far, this game is cinema, bruh.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
Okay.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Bruh, the full mooner gooner? You have to be kidding me, man.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
He saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Oh my goodness.
Excuse me?
Is the skin stapler that bad?
Knox is your new partner.
I don't do partners.
You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
What the hell? What? What is going on? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm talking about a whole carton of
If
donuts.
you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
He about to inhale them donuts. What did I say, bruh? I told you he was about to inhale them.
Ah, that's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
We finally got us a partner that we don't want, man.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
We gotta listen to the chief, man. Objective updated. What's the objective? Return to the cruiser outside. Oh, we gotta go with our new partner that we don't want, man. This is about to be a long day. I mean a long day. Look at him already sitting at my cruiser waiting ready to go. Come on now, man. Passenger side you are.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay
Behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
But this is giving that movie with Denzel Washington and that white dude. I forgot what it's called. Training Day. That's exactly what this is giving, bruh. I don't know if y'all seen Training Day, but yeah, it's a good movie. The Quick Fix. Hot, fresh wieners inside. So what are we doing here?
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
Okay then.
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Facts.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Okay. I heard something behind us, but let's head inside and start our shift, man. Where's the front register at? Right here. We're going to back. Let's see who's on the cellular device, man.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
What is he
Oh.
talking about?
Hey, boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Facts. Is he boo-booing? Bruh, he's on the toilet, man.
Are you calling me on the shitter?
Oh my
again?
God.
Disgusting!
Facts.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
I mean that. Get off my cellular device, man. All right. Grab the box of mystery meat from the back. Oh!
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man.
I swear to
What?
God.
Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Bruh, his voice is so creepy. He looks like the Ghost Rider.
just another night with another creep. I hate
Facts.
this city.
This city is getting out of control, man. Now holding box of mystery meat. Take the box of mystery meat to the wiener grinder. All right. But no telling how long this meat has been out here. And we about to, is this the grinder right here? Uh-oh. Oh, we grinding this meat. Get this meat grinder. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I wouldn't dare eat this. Again. Bruh, how much meat do we have to grind? We gonna be right here forever. Objective updated. Grab the box of wieners. Now what do we do now? Put wieners in the hot dog cart. Okay. We put the wieners in the hot dog cart. Looks like we have a customer. Wait for customers. Oh my goodness, bruh. Let's see exactly what he wants. Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Steps: add toasted bun, add cooked wiener, add mustard, ketchup, add relish, add the works, add hot dog container, serve to customer. So steps: toasted bun. All right, here we go. Jeez Louise. Oh, okay. Now add cooked wiener. Okay, I got it now, but that took me almost 3 hours to learn, man. I got to be the slowest skin stapler player in the world. So we gonna let this hot dog cook on up. Come on now, it shouldn't take that long. We should already be ready by now, man. All right. Turn that off. It says add mustard and ketchup. All right, we add mustard and ketchup. Add relish. I need to add the works. I need a hot dog container. Serve to customer. Finish hot dog. What in the world? Bro, don't tell me he just throated that hot dog in front of me like that. You couldn't wait till you got to the car? Bro, you have to be kidding me. Make the customer a hot dog. So we already did that. I guess we just sit here and wait on another customer and see what they want. What could this lady want right here, man? If she wants a hot dog, I'm about to lose it. I heard you have the biggest wieners around. Let me get one. All right. Toasted bun. Let me toast you a bun, baby. All right. Now, how you doing today? Since you like these big old wieners, I'm sure gonna serve you one. Come on now, man. We having the time of our life in here making these wieners. Okay, what's next? Cooked wiener. Let's cook a wiener. Okay, bro. We in here like Chef Gordon Ramsay. You can't tell me different. Okay. Almost done. Almost done, baby. You got to be patient in here, man. If you ain't patient, you won't eat. I ain't gonna lie, that wiener time gets on my nerves, bro. All right, cooked wiener, mustard, ketchup, relish. Oh, I need to add the works. I need a hot dog container. All right. How you like that? Oh my goodness. I've never been so infatuated with a video game in my entire life. What is the hot dog eating animation in this game? Bro, you have to be kidding me. I'm talking about some night. I couldn't see her lips though. Let's move on. It's just a video game. Goodness gracious. This game right here is sending your mind right to the gutter, man. Now, is this the skin stapler right here? Let's see exactly what he want. He gonna want a wiener. Now, you jump over this counter, it's gonna get ugly. I mean that. You jump over this counter, it's gonna get ugly.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
I really am. I really hope you like it.
Oh, crap. You been proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh.
Oh my God.
But I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
All right, what could you want?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Oh my goodness, now it's getting weird.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
You ain't working on no art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
And I'll be seeing you outside of my store in a minute. If you don't hurry up and go get them staples and get out of my store ASAP, we already know what you in here for, man. You was back there eating the hot dog glizzies out the trash can, all type of ish. Oh, I was gonna say, where did he go? Did he steal them? Because he sure didn't pay for no staples. Uh-oh, another glizzy gobbler. Let's see. I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. I don't have a finished hot dog. Okay, hold on. Let me toast you some bread, baby. You know? Because I'm the bread toaster. All right? We got everything cooking up for you. Everything will be done real soon, baby. All right. Now we waiting on the glizzy. Well, now we just sit back, relax, kick our feet up, and then get this easy money, man. All right. It says mustard ketchup. I can't wait to see what she gonna do with this glizzy. Relish. I need a hot dog container. All right, let's see what she does with it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh, you could literally see it go down her throat. What is going on in this town? Didn't they say it was 1984? So you mean to tell me this was going down in 1984 when somebody buy a wiener? This story is really called The Quick Fix for a reason. Okay, he's coming in for one. Maybe I should already start making them before they come in. Because if he wants one... Hold on, he wants one too? All right, let me get me some bread. Toast the bread. Everybody wants a hot dog. That's what I'm just gonna assume before everybody comes in. They getting the same thing, man. So we just gonna start making them ahead of time. All right. Glizzy should be done any minute now. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Ketchup. Okay. I need a hot dog container. All right. Not a whole grown ass man. Mind you, this man's like 32 years old, bro. Eating a glizzy like a whole female. Bro, you cannot make this up. I'm just gonna have the glizzies ready. I'm gonna have the glizzies ready before they even come in. Cause I already know what they want, man. We gonna have them ready already. Okay. This should be done any second now. All right. Turn that off.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, baby, you looking beautiful today. You understand me? I like them tattoos, sweetheart.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
Ew.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh my goodness, that joke was so corny, bruh.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Oh, I'm finna say. I like that swing in your backyard, baby. That's all I like to say. Is that the skin stapler in my store? Let me get this glizzy off the Yeah, that's definitely him. Why is he watching me like this, man? I'm about to kick him out my store. You know what? Whoa!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples.
Is
I'm
that
getting
right?
pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
You mean to tell me he been in the store this whole time and didn't find the staples? Now, 10 minutes later, he wants to come tell me that the store doesn't have any staples, bruh? Are you kidding me?
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Oh, let me go check out the toilet. It says I need to stay behind the register. How am I gonna go check out the toilet if I have to stay behind the register? Great. I know they say no running in the store, but we gotta go check out this bathroom. Oh my goodness.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Where's the plunger? Oh my goodness. Now we got to plunge this thing, man. Oh, they're really making us plunge it. Oh no, not like that. You know how much boo-boo you would have on you if you plunge the toilet like that? Oh no, he needs to calm down. Oh my goodness, bro. Ugh.
The thing isn't working.
Is this an earthquake?
What is that sound?
Whoa! What just happened? Gutters End Bowling Alley. It's open 24 hours, man. Oh, this is my baby right here.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
All right, where is it? Oh my God. What is Lucas doing? Why is he asleep?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
What is she trying to do?
Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
Facts.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
All right, what's our objective? Head to the office and microwave cup noodles. All right. I don't need to go behind the counter yet. Where's the office? This is the bathroom. Okay, the office is right here. All right. Ugh, look how disgusting this microwave is.
Later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
All right. We heading back to Lucas to tell him he can leave.
All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Well, it looks like we gonna be polishing up some balls, man. Investigated busted ball feeder. Okay, which one is the busted ball feeder? Oh, we gotta fix everything. And the thing is, they not even fixing it, bro. They just beat on it. We got this thing back up and running, man. Oh my goodness. That could have killed someone.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Facts.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Oh my God. We got a lot of stuff to do, man. Oh my goodness, here he goes. Once again. What do you want?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is. With an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase Elaine? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
It looks like we're gonna have to call the police.
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
What is up with him and with staplers and cutting, man?
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
Absolutely not, mister.
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure. Let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Facts, or we're gonna call the police, man.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
He's just coming to everybody's job, causing up havoc, man. That's all he wants to do is sit and
creep.
That's all he wants to do is sit and watch you work, man. I need to clean those dirty balls. All right, we put it in here. I ain't gonna lie, this is how we're gonna have to clean all 3 balls. All right. We just cleaning balls. Nothing to see here. We just working a normal shift. Oh my God, bruh. What exactly does he want, man? You come back here, I'm calling the authorities. I can't lie. He keeps playing after this. We calling the police. He keeps playing, we calling the police, man.
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes. Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Oh, she's one of those type. She got the weird fetishes. All right. We're almost done.
That should do it.
All right. What happened to our cup of noodles? Return to the register.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any
Exactly.
bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast.
All right. Let's go grab our cup of noodles. And he better not be back here either.
I'll eat this back at the register.
All right. Oh no! Bruh, the skin stapler is out of control. He killed Fine Shit. Bruh, he just killed my girlfriend, man. Oh, I'm getting upset now, man. What does he have her doing?
What happened?
No way, bruh.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
No way they have the shrimp talking in the video game like this, man.
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
What did he inject us with, man?
Doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh!
Knuckles away. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Oh, call 911.
I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum.
Oh my
Hallucinations
goodness.
and paralysis, among other things.
Oh, he is a real deal creep.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
Oh my goodness.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
So he's gonna take our skin? That's why they call him the skin stapler?
Please, don't.
Oh, it's gonna blow up. Get out the way. No, 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 no. The skin stapler is a hater, man. Oh my goodness, man. He did not do my girlfriend like that. He did not have to do that to my girl, man. He literally stripped her for all of her skin, man. That is absolutely disgusting. So this is all he does is just take people's skin. He comes to your job, watches you work, and then he plots on you. And then as soon as he got you where he wants you, he attacks, man. This is probably one of the most craziest games I've ever played in my life. Whoa. I'm talking about just stapled it to the wall like that. Woo-wee. This is probably one of the best games I've ever played in my life, man. End of demo. Thank you for playing. Please wishlist the full release. Okay, look. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I'm out of here, man.